Welcome back. Today we're going to start to create your lead form. First, go to your Facebook business page, then click your Meta Business Suite. Okay. Once you're inside your business suite, click All Tools. In the Advertise column, look for Instant Form. Click Instant Form. Inside the lead add forms, click Create Form. Select New Form. Edit form name. Okay. Form type, choose higher intent. Then flexible form delivery, open. Choose optimize. Then next. Headline. First open the background image. We're going to use our image ad later. So we choose use the image from your ad. Okay, then the greetings on. Edit your headline. And then choose list. Choose paragraph. Okay, then select next. Off the conditional logic. This will be we're going to add our questions. Multiple choice. Okay. Edit this as your first question. Okay. You have options, edit your options. Just say 1 million to 5 million. Enter 5 million to 7 million. You can lower this for if you're targeting B market, let's say 800,000. Okay, then let's add more question. Okay, your answers. If you want more to add questions, just click Add Questions. For the contact information, we'll edit this. Okay, this will be your buyer's email, the full name. You can add category, phone number, and city. Okay, these are the data you need for your lead form. Then click next. In the privacy policy, if you have your company policy and it has a link, you can add it here. For the meantime, I'm going to use my Facebook page policy for this demo purposes. Okay, link text is optional. After that, let's continue. Click next. Now we're going to review our screen. Let's check if there's something missing. Okay. If you have also a add custom disclaimer, you can add. Next. Okay, then click next. The ending page, you can edit the headline, description. At this point, we're going to add our phone number. Or message me. You choose website and then the link. This will be your Facebook page. Link. Okay, let's check if there's something wrong here. Okay, now once we re-edit it, we're going to edit the call to action, send message, so the client or the buyer can message you at your Facebook page. Click start. Let's review. Okay. Let's check your ending page. To add, if you have files already or want to give something for your client, you can also add here PDF or a picture. Okay, so just click add media. Okay, let's check your, this will be the outcome of your lead form. Okay, the contact information, the privacy policy, and then files you're about to send to your potential buyer, and then the ending page. This will be your ending page, and then the call to action is sent to message. Then once it's ready, all good and all goods, okay, you can click publish. Okay, let's add some ad media for demo purposes. There. Now let's click publish. This will be your lead form for the demo purposes. Okay, the car brand lead form 2026. Now after running the ads, your campaign ads, you can download all the data or the gathered data from your potential buyer here. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.